Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to do the assembly of double bearing block. So I have created all the parts 3D modeling. Now I will start assembly. Control new. Here select standard create. So here place the component. First part is body, open. So go to view, change it into shaded with adjust. So first we need to constrain with the planes. Select constrain, select planes, apply, select face, apply, so edit relationship. Okay, so first part is constraint. So take the second part, bush, constrain this also, apply. We need to give 3 constraints for each parts. Next select this one more, select the plane and select this one, apply. So now it is not rotating. So we can do this pattern, select the direction, pitch is 35 mm, apply. Take the third part, cap, constrain this, select this and this, apply. Again select this and this, apply. Select this surface and this surface, give the face, apply. Next is bolts, select bolt, constrain, reverse the direction, apply, apply. Take one more bolt, just drag this, apply, apply. Now we can do the pattern. Select this bolt, pattern, select the direction, pitch is 60 mm, one more direction, pitch is 15, apply. Select this pattern, select the direction one, pitch is 30 mm, apply. So that's it friends, double bearing block assembled. Now we can create exploded views on this. Go to new, select here presentation template Here we need to select assembly. Already I made assembly. Select this, open. So go to views, shaded with edges. So select tweak components, select all the bolts, remove from the assembly. Again select top, select this and this, drag it outside, that's it friends. Save the assembly. So that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.